Buddy. He doesn't work with the camera, Dad. Birdie.
Hey Jenny, take him up. This is Harvey. He's 10 years old.
Dad, no, he's going to. Oh, you have the prettiest eyes. Oh, he's a scared birdie.
What did he say?
He's just making noises. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, this one's so colorful. Oh, Dad, this one's following me. Look, he has his dressed up. He just put it up. Look, he's happy or something. He has orange feathers.
Hello.
Dad, he's like the younger one of what we saw before.
What's this guy saying?
I like him. He laughs at us. And I got it on recording too, Dad. That's the funny part. I really like that one. I like those birds. Isn't he cool?
This guy.
Yeah, do you see his orange skin underneath his feathers?
Hello.
They all like you, Dad.
Hello.
I think he knows he's being recorded, Dad.
You being what? You being what?
Dad, look, this one's following you around. He's so cute. And look at his cool eyes, too.
Oh. Yeah, he's got pretty eyes, don't you?
They look like fire. Dad, this one just wants your attention so bad.
Yeah, I know he does. Hey, say hello.
Like, now he's gonna... Dad, he's pissed. He's like, I want your attention.